Yeah, good evening. In the last videos, sir, we are discussing about recursion. Okay, a big story about recursion. Sir, we have seen like what is the purpose of recursion, introduction to the functions concept, why we need to go for recursion, and what is mean by recursion. In that recursion, so base condition means what? Okay, next, sir, after this, so finite and infinite recursion means what? So what is mean by finite recursion and what is mean by infinite recursion? And what are the mathematical interpretation of recursion? Like if you have any recurrence relation is there, so how you can able to represent that in the form of recursion we have seen. And what are the various properties of recursion also we have seen. Okay, next, sir, we discussed about advantages and disadvantages of recursion and what is the difference between iteration and recursion also we discussed, and we have seen some sample programs related to the recursion. Almost, sir, how many programs we covered? 7 programs we covered. Okay, now in today's session we are going to cover this reverse of the given number. Okay, sir, I think I have explained this formula also, how it is going to be calculated, but don't worry, today again I am going to repeat this one. Okay, sir, can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts? And some people are telling, sir, black color screen is coming. Can you please cross check? I think my screen is visible for everyone. Sir, please confirm, is my screen is visible for everyone? And audio is clear? Right. Good, good, good. Right. Now, sir, here in the last video, we have seen implement a program to calculate reverse of the given number. Sir, as we know that reverse means what? Suppose if I am giving any number like n is equal to 1, 2, 3, you need to calculate reverse of this. We have so many algorithms are there for preparing this. We have so many algorithms are there for preparing this. But how to use recursive mechanism to do this operation, we have seen very clearly. Sir, do you know this 123, this particular digit is represented as a unit position, and this one is represented as a tens position. This one is represented as a hundreds position, and so on. Based on this, we constructed a formula also. Like this is nothing but the formula, sir, what we discussed in the last video, right? Yes. So this is nothing but the formula. So let us take this example and trace this formula. Suppose if n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, if I am giving like this, in addition to this, you need to pass length also. So how many digits are there? 4 digits. Now this is nothing but the function what we have. I am calling a reverse of 1, 2, 3, 4, comma 4. 4 digits are there. So this is one part. This is the recursive part. Sir, what is this part? N percentage 10 it is calculating. Sir, if you take n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, sir, n percentage 10 means we are going to get 4. So 4 into 10 to the power length minus 1. What is the length that you have given? 4, right? 4 minus 1 means what? 3. Sir, have you observed? If you take this 1, 2, 3, 4, sir, we are multiplying 4. That means what reverse we are getting? 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is in unit position. So tens position, hundreds position, thousands position. To get that, we are multiplying with 4 cube. Sir, what will be the result? So 4,000. That maybe that 4,000 will be pushed into the stack. Right? Now, sir, what is the next one? Reverse of n by 10. Again, we are going to call this reverse n by 10. Sir, n percentage 10 means we got 4. N by 10 means we will get 123 and we are taking length minus minus. In previous case, length is 4. Now 4 minus minus means we will get 3. Sir, now what will happen? Your value of n will become 123. Okay. Sir, in that last digit is nothing but 3, n percentage 10 means. So that 3 into, so 10 to the power, length minus 1. What is the length value you have supplied? 3. 3 minus 1 means, so you will get a 10 square, which is nothing but 300. That will be pushed into the stack. Okay. Sir, next time, reverse of n by 10. 123 by 10 means you will get a 12. 12 comma length minus minus means 2. Now, next time the value of n will become 2, 12. Sir, percentage division means we will get 2. Then 2 into, sir, 10 to the power, length minus 1. Sir, 2 minus 1, 1. That is nothing but a 20. Okay. That 20 will be pushed into the stack. Sir, next time recursive call, n will become, so 1, sir. 1 comma length is also 1. So next time n is equal to 1. If you take percentage division, you will get 1. Sir, 1 into 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means 1. 1 into 1 will become 1. So that 1 will be pushed into the stack. Okay. Now, sir, what is the continuation? Is there any item to be pushed? Sir, next time your reverse will become, so 0 comma 0. Sir, when n is equal to 0, we are going to return 0. Sir, if it is returned 0, what will happen? 0 will be pushed here, plus 0. Sir, these values, since we are using which operation? Plus operation. If you perform addition, sir, 4000 plus 300, 4300. 4300 plus 20, 4320. 4000 plus 3000 plus 20 plus 1, 4321 plus 0. Sir, 4321. Is it our reverse of this original number or not? Yes. Like this, it is going to work. I think nothing is there to explain. Okay. Sir, if you want, just let me take a short form. Can you please confirm up to this? Do you have any doubts? Sir, everyone, please confirm. Any doubts up to this, whatever we covered? Do you have any doubts, friends? Please tell how new value is getting assigned and after each step. Manoj, in previous algorithms, whenever you are calling sum of digits of n by 10, the current value, what operation you are doing, so how you are going to get the next value? So that's only it is going to call recursive. Same step we are doing here. What is doubt in that? This is the current calculation, whatever we are doing. Next calculation will be depends on this. Okay. Clear? Right. Now, so let us go with again example 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will take 1, 2, 3, 4. N is equal to, otherwise 9, 8, 1, 2, 3. Like this I will take. Sir, what will be the length of this one? Listen carefully. What will be the length of this one? The length will become 5, sir. What is the first digit that you are going to get? Please respond, everyone. If you perform n percentage 10, what will be the digit that you are getting? Good. 3. Sir, 3 into power of 10 comma. What is the length? Length minus 1. 5 minus 1. Sir, it will become 4. Right? So plus reverse of, sir, n by 10. What will be the new value of n? Type and send, everyone. What will be the new value of n? Type and send. Good, good, good. Manoj, you can able to see. Better I will keep message to everyone. Yes. Manoj, clear now? Sir, 1 second. Better I will change the settings of Zoom so that yeah, now I think everyone is seeing the messages, right? Sir, please don't send a message to direct, just send a message to everyone so that you can, other people can understand. Right. Sir, reverse of 1, 9, okay, 1, 9, oh, sorry, 9, 8, 1, 2. Like this we will get. Now, what will be the value of length, sir? Everyone, can you please tell me? So next time, what will be the value of length? Yes, already length is 4. No, no, no. Length is 5. Sir, 5 minus 1, right? You will get 4. Some people are telling 3. Please make sure. It will become 4. Now, sir, coming to the conclusion, 3 into 10 power 4 means, sir, 10,000, which is nothing but 30,000 is the result. So next time, 9812 is the call. Your length will become 4. Now, tell me what is a n percentage 10 value? Please tell me. N percentage 10 value. Yes, good. So 2 is the n percentage 10 into power of 10 to the power length minus 1. 4 minus 1 will become 3, right? So plus reverse of. Now tell me what is the updated value of n? 9812 divided by 10. Good, good, good. So it will become 981. Now, sir, we have to take length minus minus. Length is 4. 4 minus 1 will become 3. Good, very good. Now the calculation will become, sir, 2 into, okay, 2 into 1000, sir, which will become 2000. Excellent. Now next value of n already we calculated 981 and your length will become 3. Now tell me, if I divide with the percentage 10, what will be the remainder? Excellent. It will become 1. Sir, 1 into power of 10 comma length minus 1. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. Okay. So plus reverse of. Next time the digit will become what, sir? Good, good. 98. Very good. Nice response from you people. Sir, 98 comma length minus minus length will become 2. That's all. Now, sir, here the value is nothing but 1 into 100. Sir, which will become 100 like this. Sir, next time the value of n will become 98 and length will become 3, sir. Now tell me, what is a digit that you are going to get if you divide 98 by 2? Sorry, 98 by percentage. Oh, length will become 2. Correct, correct. Sorry. Yes, 98 percentage 10 means what will be the last digit? 8, right? So 8 into, I am taking power of 10 comma length minus 1, which is nothing but 1. Then reverse of, what will be the next value of n? Good. 9 and length minus minus will become 1. Sir, now here 8 into 10 will become 80, sir. Okay, 80. Next time, yes, correct. The value of n is 9, length will become 1. Now tell me, n percentage 10, what will be the value? 9 percentage 10. Oh, some people are telling 0. 9 percentage 10. Percentage 10 means you will get 9 only. Normal division, you will get 0. Okay. So 9 into, sir, power of 9 into power of, sir, 10 comma length minus 1, which is nothing but 0. Now my question is, what will be the next value of n? Everyone have to respond. Good. 0 will be the next n value and length minus 1 is also 0. Sir, now what will happen? Sir, 9 into 10 power 0 is nothing but 1, which is nothing but 9. That's all. Sir, what will be the value of next time n? Everyone. What will be the next time value of n? 0. Safi, please, please, please. Safi is going like express. Huh? So n value will become 0. The loop is going to terminate. Okay, the loop is going to terminate. And what will be the final result? Here itself I am calculating. Sir, have you observed 32189? Okay, sir, reverse of 98123 is equal to, sir, 32189. Is it correct or not? Yes, like this it is going to work. So I think when compared with the diagram and even how we calculated manually, it is very clear for you people. I think so. Okay, right. Sir, can I go for implementation? Sir, when compared with the previous programs, this was somewhat tricky. That's why you people are getting confusion. But don't worry, nothing is there. Right. So let us go with implementation. Someone already done the program. Very good. Pradeep Gaikwad. Very good. Excellent, man. Good, good, good homework. Right. Good, good. Now, so let us take here. So what will be the next case? Sir, here I am going to take a scanner obj is equal to new scanner of, so system dot in I am taking. Sir, after this, what we have to do? Integer n is equal to obj dot next int. Now, directly I am going to take a reverse of n, which is going to return reverse of n value. Sir, where we have this reverse? In demo class, demo dot reverse. Can we implement that demo dot reverse? Yes, let us take class called demo. So in this, I want to take a static integer reverse function. So which is taking one integer n. And what we have to check, in addition to this, I need to pass a length also, right? That is also very, very important. And here also we have to pass length. Sir, how I can able to find out length of the number? I think it is very difficult, right? So first I will explain with a normal code, sir. Okay, then I will go with how you can able to read the number, how you can able to do that. Let me take n value. So let me take n value is equal to something like 1 2 3 4. I'm taking, sir, n value 1 2 3 4. How many digits are there? 4 digits. Manually I am passing. Okay, now I will take how it is going to be calculated. Now listen carefully. So I have taken length also. What is the condition? Array boss, whatever length you have given. Okay, sir, if your length is equal to 0, okay, if your length is equal to 0, that's all right. At last term, when your length value will become 0, or when n is equal to 0, you have to return 0. Okay, better we will take when n is equal to 0. Sir, what we have to do? We need to return 0. Otherwise, sir, what we have to do? Sir, we have to return, okay, we have to return n plus, no, not n plus, n percentage 10 I am calculating digit value into, sir, math dot power of 10 comma length minus 1. Sir, this math dot power is going to return floating point value. That is a double value. That's why try to convert. Okay. Yeah, correct, Pradeep. So try to convert that one into integer format. Okay. Now, sir, after this, what we have to do? After this, what we have to do? Sir, calculation part completed. Now you have to call recursion. So again, I am calling reverse by passing n by 10, comma, minus length. That's all. My work almost completed. Let us compile the program and let us execute this code and see how it is going to work. Sir, cd backsplash Prakash classes. So Java C. So I'm taking test.java. So Java space, I'm taking test. Sir, have you observed the input whatever we have given is 1 2 3 4, but reverse what we got is 4 3 2 1. Sir, can I pass my own value? Yes, no problem. But try to read the data in the form of a string. Okay, try to read the data in the form of a string. Correct, Ajit. Try to read the data in the form of a string. Sir, here anyway, they required integer. So integer dot parse int of. Okay, integer dot parse int of yes. And sir, find yes dot length. That's all. So you are finding length of the string and you are converting that string into integer. Anyway, the internal content is the number only. That's why nothing will be happened. It will convert. Okay, now listen what will happen. Sir, I am compiling the program. Now I am executing. Sir, it is asking for number. Sir, 781902. Sir, have you observed 209187? Suppose if I am giving TEN, sir, the actual content is correct because we are reading a string. But in our application, when we are trying to convert this string into integer, what will happen? Number format exception we are going to get. I think that we know already. Have you observed java.lang. Number format exception we are getting? Okay, this is nothing but what we have, sir. Okay, I think you got very clear clarity about this application, sir. Even I will try to paste that error message also so that you can understand well. Okay, sir, is the implementation is clear for everyone? Please confirm. Please confirm so that we can go for next program. Right. Sir, I want to cover one more small program now. Okay. One more small program I want to introduce for you people. Let us see what is that program. I think the count is nothing but ninth program. Maybe it is easy only. Have a look once. Sir, implement a program. Implement a program to count. Okay, to count number of digits. To count number of digits. So present in the given number. Okay. So write a implement a program to find the number of or to count the number of digits present in the given number. Okay. Sir, can anyone please try? Just I will give 2 minutes time. Okay, I will give 2 minutes time. Sir, please try. Please try. At least just a logic part. Can you please share that logic part? I will give 2 minutes time. Try to do at least a logical part. No need to execute. So what is the calculation part and what is the recursion part? Read integer, then use sum of individual integer program. Here we can count or convert the integer into string, iterate up to. Very good, very good. Yeah, correct, correct. Safi, no, 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 that is not correct. I think so. Yeah. Okay, sir. I will implement here. Listen carefully. Okay. Yeah, correct, correct, correct. Someone is to that is not recursion. See, compulsory recursion should be there, sir. Please. Some people are not following the recursion. Okay, no way. Listen, sir. I'm going to implement the program. Listen carefully. Sir, I'm going to store this file as so recursion 8. Recursion 8. And the program, whatever we are going to cover is nothing but recursion 9. Right. Sir, listen carefully. Here, first I will write the code, sir. Sir, here I am going to take static integer. Okay, static integer count method, which is going to take an integer n value. Okay, static count integer n value. Sir, now here, if the value of n is not equal to 0, that means whatever n value you have given, if that n value is not equal to 0, sir, what will happen? Sir, I am going to take count plus plus and sir, I will call this count function by taking n by 10. That's all. Finally, return the value of count. Sir, what is the initial value of count? Static integer count is equal to 0. But don't take count is equal to 0 inside the function. You know very well, Inside the method, if you are trying to declare any variable, the scope and the lifetime of those variables will be available only within that function. But recursive means what? A function is going to carry forward its current iteration values to next iteration value. That is the biggest problem what we have. So for that purpose, we should not use such type of things. Remember carefully. Okay. Now, sir, let us execute this first of all. I will explain with the help of paint. Sir, then you can able to understand well. Right. This is my code. Listen carefully, friends. Now, sir, consider I am taking the value of n is equal to same 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, what output I am expecting? 4, right? Let me check. Sir, initially count of n. It will be passed with n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Sir, initially one static variable got created. Its content is 0. Sir, C is the reference variable pointing to that. If n is not equal to 0, yes, it is not equal to 0. Okay, so condition is not satisfied. Condition is satisfied. Sir, count plus plus, your count will become 1. Then call this method again by passing n is equal to n by 10. 123 by 10 means 120, sorry, 1234 by 10 means you will get 123, right? Next time, sir, is it equal to 0? No, condition is okay. Then count plus plus, it will become 2. Next time, again recursive call. Sir, your n will become 1, 2. Perfect. The condition is satisfied. Then count plus plus. Now again count will become 3. Next time n will become 1. Sir, condition is okay. Again count will become 4. Next time n will become 0. Sir, if n is not equal to 0, continue this process. If n is equal to 0, come out this, return the value of count. So condition is not satisfied. Return count value is nothing but 4. Is the expected output and our output both are same or not? Yes. That's all. Nothing more than this. Let us go with implementation, friends. Already we have the program. Just we have to read the value of n from the user. So after this, system.out.println of demo.count of n value I am taking. Okay. Sir, what if user enters 0? Sir, user enters 0 means 0 is equal to 0. Condition not satisfied. It will come out from the loop. It is returning 0. What is the 0? What is the return value? I mean, what is the default value of C? 0, right? 0 will be returned. Okay. So let us cross check by executing this program. So Java C test.java, Java space test, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 3 digits, 1 digit, 0, 0 digits are there. Like this, we can implement this program. I think this program concept is also very clear for everyone. I think so, right? Please confirm. Yeah, but length is 1 when 0 is passed. Yes, correct. Correct, Ajay. Yes. So then what we have to do? Correct, correct. So what we can do here? I think here we can check the condition. Yeah, if count is equal to 0, then length 1. So here you can check the condition. You can change the condition. So if count is not equal to 0, if count is not equal to 0, return count, otherwise return 1. Right? Count is not equal to 0 means some count value is there. So otherwise return 1. Anyway, it is not a part of recursion, right? So it will keep on calculating. After that only the decision will be taken. Yes, correct. Now let us try this program. Is it working? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Sir, 1, 2, 3. Sir, now 1, 2. Sir, now 1. Now 0. Yes, perfect. Clear? A small modification, that's all. Ajay, clear, right? Right. Very good. Actually, someone asked this. Poonam, is it clear now? Manish, if you pass the 4 zeros, then what will happen? I think it will be treated as a single zero because you are entering the number, right? So you are reading the data in the form of integer. So it will be treated as a single zero. Okay, because in the program, have you observed, you are accepting in the form of what you can say number. That's why if you take any zeros, it will be considered as a one. Sorry, zero. Okay. Zero, no value. Good. Right. Sir, I think it is very clear for everyone, right? Shall we go for next program? Right. Can we pass for maybe it will work or not? Let us cross check. Yeah, it will work. See, first digit should not be zero. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell. First digit should not be zero. If you take first digit zero, what will happen? It will be considered as an octal number, right? Because you know very well in your Java, core Java, in the beginning. Okay, if you take 0, 1, I think it will be treated as an octal number. Okay, 0 or O? 0 or O? I have a confusion. Let me check because I'm dealing so many programming languages. That's why there is a problem. Yeah, prefixed with 0, not O. Okay, Kasireddy, prefixed with 0, not O. Okay, right. So if you want, just let me take a note. So all the octal constants in C language are prefixed with 0. Okay, sir, in C++ also prefixed with 0. In C++ also prefixed with 0. So in Java also prefixed with 0. Okay, sir, in Python it is prefixed with, so 0 small o or 0 capital O. Okay, 0 small o or 0 capital O. If you want, you can see in Python. Yes, you can see here. It is prefixed with octal format is prefixed with 0 small o or 0 capital O. Remember this, okay? Yeah, so let us go for the next program, sir. Negative numbers, I think it will work, sir. Please cross check, okay? Now, sir, the next one, what I have next program, what I have 10th program, listen carefully. Sir, I want to write a program or implement a program to convert decimal number into binary. Okay, I want to implement a program to convert decimal number into binary by using recursion. Sir, it is a bit tricky program, please concentrate well. Okay, it is a bit tricky program, please concentrate well. Now, sir, how we can able to do this? So recursion 10 I am taking .jpg. So first I will write the code directly, sir. So what is the task here? So I am taking static integer convert. Like this I will take. I am taking one integer value n, that is nothing but a decimal value. So what we have to do, you need to convert it into binary number. Suppose if n is equal to 8, listen carefully friends, the binary equivalent of 8, okay sir, do you remember the binary equivalent of 8 is nothing but, if you take 8, sir, it is nothing but 8421 code. Like this we have. So 1000 is the result. Okay. Now, sir, if I want to get this result, we have to use some formula. What is that formula? Is, sir, if you divide n percentage 2, you will get these digits. If you want, you can see. Sir, 8. If you divide with 2, 2 fours are 2 fours are 8. Remainder is 0. Sir, 2 twos are 4. Remainder is 0. Sir, 2 ones are 2. Remainder is 0. Have you observed? If you write it in reverse order, this is the binary equivalent what we have. That's why, sir, I'm going to capture the reminders. Okay, I'm going to capture the reminders. Sir, while capturing reminders, can you please add 10? Can you please add 10? Okay. And can you please multiply this 10 with, so convert function by taking n by 2. This is the algorithm what we are going to follow. Let me check for n is equal to 8. Sir, first time n percentage 2. What is n percentage 2? If you divide 8 with percentage 2, sir, 8. Sir, 2 fours are 8. Remainder is nothing but 0. Right? Sir, we are going to get 0. 0 plus. So 10 into, okay, 10 into, sir, what will happen? Okay, 10 into, sir, convert of n by 2. Convert of n by 2. That means what? Sir, what is the n value here? 4, right? It will be passed. I think the logic is not correct. Yes, somewhere we are lagging. Sir, is it correct? Multiplication should come before or after, because along with the recursion, I think we should not do. Then n value become 40. So it is not correct, I think so. Just a minute, let me check. Yeah, power concept, maybe you have to use. If you are not multiplying with 10, you won't get that 1000. Multiplication is mandatory. Okay, we will do one thing. Better we will first try and then we will cross check. Yeah, first we will try. So here we have to check if the value of n is equal to 2, 0, then we have to return 0. Sir, else otherwise, so what we have done, return of, first we need to calculate n percentage 2. N percentage 2. Sir, have we done n percentage 2 only, right? Yes. N percentage 2. Sir, plus 10 into convert. Again, we are taking convert of n by 2. Like this we have done. First, let me check. Is it going to work or not? Then we can trace the program. I am giving 8. Oh my god, it is working. So 10, super. Sir, I am giving 19. Yes, perfect. Sir, I am giving 56. Yeah, it is working perfectly, sir. Okay, let us trace. Okay, let us trace by taking the example. Yeah, now. So have a look once how it is going to work. Sir, initially, so consider the value of n is equal to, I am passing 8. So what will happen? Is n is equal to 0? No. Written n percentage 2. Okay, n percentage 2. That means it will be stored inside the stack. It will be stored inside the stack n percentage 2. N percentage 2 means what? Sir, 8 percentage 2 will become 0, right? That 0 will be pushed into the stack. Okay, 0 will be pushed into the stack. Fine. Sir, then what will happen? We are calling convert function. Okay, we are calling convert function. This 10 into convert, maybe it is going to execute because multiplication is having highest priority, right? So n by 2 will become 40. Okay, let me take, it is going to execute for n is equal to 4. So when n is equal to 4, sir, what is happening? So 4 percentage 2. 4 percentage 2 means what will be the remainder? It is also 0. That 0 will be pushed into the stack. So next again it will be called for n by 2. That is nothing but 2. Okay. Sir, 2 percentage 2, which is nothing but 0. That 0 will be pushed somewhere in the stack. Sir, now again it will be called for 2 by 2, which is nothing but 1. So now 1 percentage 2 means you will get 1 only. That 1 will be pushed into the stack. Yes, of course, these values are correct only. But at the time of popping, sir, maybe it is going to multiply and then it will be added. Okay, at the time of popping, it is going to be multiplied with 10 first and then it will be added. See, this is the function call. So first time 10 will 1 will be popped. Sir, 1 into 10, which will become, sir, 10. Okay. Again it will be same, right? Yes, confusing. So the concept is clear, but the way of explanation, how I can able to take, I'm getting confused. Because we know, see, if you are taking binary number, so first 8 percentage 2 means what we are getting? 1, right? So that 1 I am going to represent in the form of 10. Okay, so that next value can be added, next reminders can be added. So this value we need to convert in the form of decimal. That is the problem. Okay, we will do one thing. Of course, the logic is correct. We will take one example and I will explain clearly by taking one diagram. So maybe tomorrow I will cover that. Okay, so just as of now, just remind me, this logic is going to work perfectly. But how easily we can able to understand this, maybe I will take one tree diagram and then I will explain. Okay, yeah, that's what here the confusion is, only with the help of these 2 points only. No, with the help of 40 I think it is not possible. So because if you divide 40 means for 40 with the percentage, again the values will be logic. Poonam, that is the reason why what I am explaining. See, 10 means which operation we can able to perform when you are retrieving the data. If you take plus operation, what will happen? 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, which will become 1. Is it binary equivalent for 8? No, right? So every reminder, whatever you are getting, I am storing. So I am multiplying these values, because if you take 8, so first time you got reminder, right? So when you are dividing, just a minute. Sir, when you are dividing 8, right? So 2 twos are, sorry, 2 fours are 8. Whatever remainder you are getting, we are storing. We are storing. Sir, then whatever next remainder you are getting, you are storing. For that position, I am going to do multiplication of 10. So somewhere we have to use a 10 to move the position. This is unit position. This is nothing but a tens position. Whatever result you are getting, you should get next position also. Okay, so this will become 100th position by multiplying with 10. So next one will become 100 into 10, thousands position, which is nothing but 1. This is the meaning why I am multiplying with 10 by storing these reminders. But how I am going to explain is confusing. Okay, no problem. I will take the example and I will explain for you people in the next class. Okay, sir, clear up to this? Other than this explanation, rest of the things clear, right?